Japan's boldest move since World War II. Japan has sent its biggest warship to escort a US supply vessel amid threats from North Korea that it would attack American aircraft carrier Carl Vinson. Here is why the decision to mobilize the Izumo amounts to a serious military maneuver for the pacifist Japan. First of all, we would like to know what is Izumo. The Izumo is a helicopter carrier, is the pride of the Japanese Navy and by far its biggest ship. The 249-meter long vessel can carry up to 9 helicopters and reassembles US amphibious assault carriers. The Izumo is also the first warship deployed outside of the military exercises using the new law. What is new law? Under the PM Shinzo Abe, Japan is gradually pushing the limits of what its modern and powerful military is allowed to do. Japan's post-World War II constitution bars its military from using force to resolve conflicts except in cases of self-defense. But new laws passed in 2015 allowed Japan to come to the aid of an ally under attack as part of collective self-defense. Abe's government faced criticism that new laws could lead the country into unnecessary wars abroad, but he has rejected such a possibility. What is new laws? New laws of 2015 allow Japan to protect the weapons and equipment of its allies, armed forces who are defending Japan. It can provide logistical support to allies involved in situations with important influence on Japan's security. Thus, it could support South Korea if the North Korea invaded, but may stop short of sending troops as this may be unconstitutional. Japan can shoot down a North Korean missile headed for the US. Military actions such as mine sweeping to keep shipping lanes secure even in an active conflict zone may be allowed if the restriction on shipping threatens Japan's survival. What is the mission of Izumo? Izumo is accompanying a US ship heading to refuel the naval fleet in the region, including the Carl Vinson aircraft carrier group. Izumo is leaving its base in Yokosuka to join the US supply ship and accompany it to waters of Shikoku. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and comment. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.